Welcome to the Hoosier Adventure YouTube channel. My name's Jim. If this is your first time joining us, don't let this freak you out too much. And if you're a return subscriber or viewer, we graciously appreciate you coming back to watch the videos. So this video is going to be kind of short, but it's kind of relative to the new adventure we're on. I'm going to flash up some videos. So the first video you're going to see is where we started over a year ago. A lot of my jig tying took place in my office, and as you can see, the office is bare now. Okay. So in my last video, I told you that I'm on a new adventure and kind of explained a little bit about that. The next video you're going to see is where the studio, the office, and the rest of my home is located. That's right. In this basically a 27-foot trailer is my entire life, my entire contents, which is pretty radical. And so I've ran into a handful of issues. Number one, right in the middle of starting this adventure, my truck had to go in the shop. So I found a home, actually two homes in the areas that I'd like to be in Kentucky. But I have not been able to make it down there. And I'm going to bring you guys along for those adventures and kind of give you a sneak peek of what I'm kind of thinking, okay? But tonight's video is just more or less a quick overview of exactly, what's going on. So at the moment, this house is sold. By the time you see this video, the new owners will have taken possession of it. They're excellent people, very kind people, and I dearly love them to death. And I know this home's going to be in great hands. For me, I want to spend my years of retirement, my years on YouTube, down in Kentucky, fishing the Cumberland River, Cumberland Lake, Kentucky Lake, Bentley, Green River Lake, all these different lakes down there. And I also want to get to a level where, I'm going down and fishing with Joseph down on Grenada and fishing with some of you out in Missouri and even some of you guys, as long as the snow's not flying, up in Wisconsin, Minnesota. So, we have subscribers all over, not only the United States, all over the United States, but we have subscribers now all over the world. At one point I used to keep track of it, and now I can't keep track of it. And I graciously appreciate that very, 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 very much. I can't tell you guys how much I appreciate that. I also want to give a shout out to Raul and to my buddy Teddy up at T3 Tackle. Both of them making contributions to to our account on PayPal. And just know, if you do something on PayPal, you make a donation, we're going to get some baits out to you and stuff, but 100% of those donations go right back into supplies and stuff. It allows me to do a lot more with baits and hand-tied jigs and experimenting and stuff. And that's one of the reasons why I really decided to do this adventure now, is because I feel like this is going to allow me the opportunity to do more fishing content and provide you guys with the content that you truly enjoy. So with that, tonight, it's a very short video, guys. I just kind of wanted to give everybody a heads up on where we're at, because now is where the adventure really starts, is finding the right home that fits the bill for what I'm trying to accomplish, not only for myself, okay, but for the channel. I know it says Hoosier Adventures, but That's okay. I think the people of Kentucky will graciously welcome us or welcome me and appreciate everything that I do. Hopefully, if there's any subscribers from Kentucky, chime in. Love to hear from you. And hopefully we can get together and do some fishing together. So, but it was just my way of kind of updating you guys, kind of letting you know exactly where I'm at right now. I left off the last video saying we're going to tear it all down. And we've done so. We've packed everything up now. And now it's just a matter of finding the right place to make this whole adventure come full circle. I hope through this vlog and through this adventure to inspire others to never be afraid to go after your dreams, okay? Yes, there's a lot of unknowns here, okay? As long as you prepare for the worst and hope for the best and you put your faith in God, I think you can achieve anything, and I'm hopefully going to prove that to you. And create a wonderful, wonderful YouTube channel, but a wonderful life. And to be able to, like I said, meet as many of you subscribers and fish with you and provide the content that we're all looking for. So with that being said, stay tuned. Listen, you gotta hit that like button, number one. You definitely got to hit the subscription button, number 2, okay? And hit that notification bell so you know when I'm uploading videos. Listen, this is going to be a wonderful adventure. I'm going to show it all. The fails, I'm going to show being successful. Once we get the new place, rebuilding, setting everything, I'm coming back even bigger studio wise than what I had here, okay? And that's the goal. So, you're going to see the ups and downs and the struggles that I go through, and you're going to see me succeed in areas that, maybe I thought I was going to struggle. So again, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, okay? And leave me comments. Throw them out there at me. I'm ready, okay? And if you want to donate to the PayPal account, we will get the baits out. Obviously, everything's packed right now, but I have a list, and I'm going to put together baits and hand-tied jig packages and get them mailed out to everybody. Once we get everything unpacked and stuff, I'll catch everything back up. But leave me comments on what you think. Am I crazy? Is Jim went nuts? Or, wow, not very many people would do something like this. So hopefully you guys enjoy the ride. Hopefully you enjoy this update. And please remember, always be kind. Good night, everybody. I'll see you on the next video. Good night.
I didn't sleep a wink last night. The storm was in my head. I was contemplating, tossing and turning in my bed. This is how it feels when all the welcomes have worn out. I guess the jig is up, it's time I head out. I'm leaving this town. I'm taking the same horse as before, not coming back around. If you feel like showing me the door, not gonna say see you later, 'cause I'm superstitious. I'll take one last kiss and all of your well wishes, 'cause I'm leaving this town.
Evening and welcome to the Who's Your Adventure YouTube channel. My name's Jim, and if this is your first time joining us, welcome. Glad to have you. And if you're a return subscriber or viewer,
we graciously appreciate that too.